These are the kanji that will be discussed in this video. Let's begin our long journey of the kanji study. The first is the kanji Moku, me. The two oracle bone-style writings, shown in brown, had an eye in which a pupil and the white of an eye were shown in a sidelong way. It resembled how an eye looks on one's face. However, in ten-style, shown in red, the eye was placed vertically. In general, ten-style writings are longer in height than in width. The writing me meant eye or seeing. To write the kanji me, you write a vertical line on the left, a right angle, and 3 short horizontal lines. The kanji me means an eye, its function of seeing, order, as in the heading in classification and counting, and one's own experience. The kunyomi of me is in the phrase kowai me ni au, to have a scary experience, and another kunyomi ma is in manoatari ni suru, to see in one's own eyes. The onyomi moku is in chumok suru, to pay attention, or note, and mokuteki, purpose. And another onyomi boku is in menboku o ushinau, to lose face. In our tutorial videos, ji denotes a goon, ke kangon, and an asterisk, other customary pronunciations. The kanji Kang originated from the image of a hand above an eye. On a bright sunny day, you can see something in a distance better if you shade your eyes with your hand. It meant to look attentively at something in the distance. To write the kanji Kang, you write a short katakana no, 2 horizontal lines, and a long katakana no before you write the kanji me. The kanji Kang means to look out, or to watch, and to take care of someone attentively. The kunyomi miru means to see or to take care. The onyomi kan is in words such as kangofu, female nurse, and kangosuru, to take care of a sick person. The kanji sho, or se, in all 3 ancient writings shown here, oracle bone style, bronzeware style, and ten style, it was an eye with a plant above the eyebrow, possibly a priest in a religious rite blocking his own view with a plant, so that he may only listen to the voice of God. And the kanji also came to mean government ministry. To write the kanji kaerimiru, you write the middle, left, right, and a long katakana no touching the bottom of the first stroke. Below that, add the kanji me. The kanji sho means to emit, because of its shape of a view being blocked, to reflect or to examine carefully, and a government ministry. The 2 kunyomi are kaerimiru, to reflect on, and habuku, to omit. The onyomi sho are in gaimusho, the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, and shoryaku, omission, shoene, energy saving. Another onyomi se is in hansei suru, to regret or to think back. The kanji so. In oracle bone style, it had a tree and an eye. In bronzeware style, the tree and the eye were placed side by side. In ten style, it became a more regulated shape. An eye faces a tree, and the tree faces the eye in return. It meant facing each other. To write the kanji so, or ai, you write the bushu, kihen, and the kanji me. The kanji so means each other, mutual, a government minister, who is someone who watches matters closely in the government, and a phase, one seeing the current situation. The kunyomi ai is in aite, partner or opponent. The onyomi sho is in shusho, prime minister. Another onyomi so is in sodan, to talk something over with someone, and teso, palm reading. When one entertains a thought and idea in his heart, he is visualizing or imagining. It meant to imagine, visualize, or think. The kanji so means to think, imagine, visualize. Kunyomi is omou, to think, visualize. Onyomi so is in riso, ideal, and yoso, expectation, or forecast. Another onyomi so is in aiso ga ii, to be sociable. The kanji hako, the top is the takekanmuri, bamboo, and the bottom is so, facing each other. When traveling, one bamboo basket was hung on both sides of a horse. Bamboo makes a lightweight basket that is convenient for going on a trip. To write the kanji hako, first tatekanmuri, which are two small katakana ke, and below that you write the kihen and the kanji me. This kanji means a box. The kunyomi hako is in honbako, bookcase. The onyomi so is not commonly used nowadays. The kanji choku. In oracle bone style, an eye had a straight line above it. In bronzeware style, a dot was seen on the straight line, and an additional line was added to emphasize the meaning of to straighten. It meant straight, to straighten. To write the kanji choku, you write a short kanji 10 or 10, the kanji me, and an angle underneath. The kanji choku means straight, at once, and directly. There are two kunyomi, sugu, right away, and tadachi ni, at once. The onyomi jiki is in shojiki, honest, and another onyomi choku makes up words such as chokusetsu, direct, and chokusen, straight line. The kanji shoku, or ueru. The left side is a kihen, tree, and the right side is choku, straight. It meant to plant a tree straight up. To write this kanji, you write a kihen on the left and the kanji choku on the right. This kanji means to plant. The kunyomi ueru means to plant, and ueki means garden plant or tree. The onyomi shoku is in shokubutsu, plant, and shokuminchi, colony. The kanji ne. The left side is a ninben, person, and the right side is choku, straight or direct. A person looked at something squarely to evaluate it. It meant value. To write this kanji, you write a ninben and the kanji choku. It means value or price. The kunyomi atai means value. Another kunyomi ne is in nedan, price, and neage, price increase. The onyomi chi is in kachi, value. The kanji oku. The top of the kanji looks like an eye, but the ancient writing tells us that it was a net. In tensile, the top was a net to catch birds, and the bottom, choku, meant straight up. A net or basket was placed straight up to catch birds. From that it meant to leave, to place, or to lay. To write the kanji oku, you write a sideways eye and the kanji choku. The kanji oku means to place, leave, or lay. The kunyomi oku is in okiwasureru, to accidentally leave something behind. The onyomi chi is in ichi, meaning location or position. These are the kanji we have studied in this video.